Here's some museum-quality art trivia. Subscribe. Which artist is known for large-scale installations and sculptures, including the Gates? Is it A. Anish Kapoor, B. Banksy, C. Damien Hirst, or D. Christo and Jean-Claude? The correct answer is D. Christo and Jean-Claude. Which artist is celebrated for his depiction of American life in Nighthawks? Is it A. Edward Hopper, B. Andy Warhol, C. Jackson Pollock, or D. Mark Rothko? The correct answer is A. Edward Hopper. What famous tapestry depicts the Norman Conquest of England? Is it A. Battle of Hastings, B. Unicorn Tapestry, C. Bayeux Tapestry, or D. Guernsey Tapestry? The correct answer is C. Bayeux Tapestry. Who created the modern art piece Fountain in 1917? Is it A. Pablo Picasso, B. George O'Keeffe, C. Marcel Duchamp, or D. Jackson Pollock? The correct answer is C. Marcel Duchamp. What contemporary artist is known for her work The Dinner Party? Is it A. Damien Hirst, B. Judy Chicago, C. Yayoi Kusama, or D. Tracy Emin? The correct answer is B. Judy Chicago. What notable structure is known for hosting the Louvre Museum? Is it A. Notre Dame Cathedral, B. Arc de Triomphe, C. Eiffel Tower, or D. Louvre Pyramid? The correct answer is D. Louvre Pyramid. What distinctive painting technique utilizes wax in the medium? Is it A. acrylic paint, B. encaustic, C. gouache, or D. oil painting? The correct answer is B. encaustic. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.